The daily code snippet. The background attachment property determines if a background image's position is fixed in the viewport or if it scrolls within its container. In addition to the global values of inherit, initial, revert, and unset, background attachment has the following values: background attachment scroll, background attachment fixed, and background attachment local. With fixed, the background is fixed relative to viewport. Even if the element is scrolling, the background will not move within the element. Local means the background is fixed relative to the contents of the element. With scroll, the background is fixed relative to the containing element and will not scroll with the contents. Here are examples. We have modified our previous example that showed hero and full width images. We will instead show the difference in behavior between scroll, fixed, and local by making code modifications to our full width images. Here is the HTML for the 3 relevant sections. We will be loading a background image into each section, targeting a particular class attribute for each. For section 2, we will demo fixed. For section 4, we will demo scroll. And finally, for section 6, we will demo local. The placeholder text has been truncated for sections 2 and 6. In these sections, to demonstrate the difference between fixed and local, we add a paragraph text element that overflows the element dimensions. Here is the CSS when using a fixed background attachment. We will keep many of the other properties the same from example to example, like the height, background color, background position, background size, and background repeat. You can see that the image stays in place in the background even as we scroll both the full page content and the text element within section 2. Here is the CSS when using scroll for background attachment. Here we have added some padding and changed the text color to white so it is easier to see. You can see that the image scrolls with the contents of the page. This is the default for background attachment. Here is the CSS for using local for background attachment. It was an addition with CSS 3. The background image will scroll with the page, but when scrolling the text within section 6, the background remains fixed. Presented by Designers Learn Code.